Don't freak out, guys. This is way easier than it looks. We're going to be making use of this fundamental law that says that a root of b will give us b to the power of 1 all over a. So we are going to rewrite our equation as 1 over x root of x to the power of x all to the power of x, and then we'll be writing the power as 1 all over 1 over x. We have converted this root to a fraction, and then we'll do the same for this and rewrite as x to the power of x all to the power of 1 over x all to the power of x. And then we rewrite this power outside, this one right here. We're going to rewrite it as x because this is the inverse of 1 over x. And then we'll do the same thing for this also, and we will write it as x to the power of x all to the power of x all also to the power of, we are going to be multiplying these two powers together, x times x, which is x squared, and don't forget this equals 4, this also equals 4, and this equals 4. When we simplify all this, we are going to end up with x times x squared. That's going to give us x to the power of x to the power of 4, which equals 4, because x times x is x squared, then times x squared, which gives us x to the power of 4. So moving further here now, let us raise the power of both sides by 4. Let's raise this to the power of 4, and also let's raise 4 to the power of 4. And after doing that, we're going to have x to the power of 4, and then to the power of x to the power of 4, because we just swap the position of these two powers. That's 4 times x to the power of 4. That's how we ended up with this. Then this equals 4 to the power of 4. And then when we directly compare the two sides of our equation, we're going to find out therefore that x to the power of 4 equals 4. And then finally, our final answer will therefore be x equals plus or minus 4th root of 4. And guys, if you learn a thing or two from this, don't forget to subscribe and do have a good day.